Oh, hello boys and girls. Don't mind me, I'm just having a small cookout.
That smells good.
Thank you, Misty. I'm having burgers, ribs, steak, and I'm drinking it with skim milk. I just love cows.
Here's your mermail.
Dear Captain Fearfacer, in school I was learning about something called a sea cow. I had to leave class early, so I don't know much about it, but that kind of sounds scary. Can you help? Chester, age 15. Sea cow? Chester, what kind of school are you going to? That's definitely a fictional animal.
A sea cow? No, those exist. I encounter them all the time.
All the time? Like they could be here right now?
Relax. A sea cow is not really a cow. It's just another name for a manatee.
Man, what?
Manatee. It's a peaceful aquatic mammal. They inhabit warm, shallow water, both fresh and salt, which is like 90% of my mail route.
Do they ever scare you?
Not at all. Manatees are actually very peaceful animals that are primarily herbivores.
That means a vegetarian.
They are also very slow and kind of lazy. They're like giant floating potatoes. Their only real threat is humans.
We do like potatoes.
It's not that. It's just that manatees are friendly and curious, which has led many of them to get hit by boats. It's become such a problem that manatees are even an endangered species.
Well, Chester, as you could see, if you're gonna be afraid of anything, you should be afraid of humans who are driving their boats without looking where they're going. So, Misty, it seems like you know quite a bit about manatees.
Yeah, well, people get us mixed up a lot. In fact, there are countless stories of salty old sailors seeing mermaids that historians believe were really just manatees.
So does that mean I can call you a sea cow?